everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete your Binance account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you want to delete your Binance account, then the first thing to do is you might want to switch your cryptocurrencies to another exchange if available. Once you are done with it, simply open up your web browser and type in www.binance.com and log into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, you'll need to go to the security page. To do so, point over to the human icon in the top right hand corner, which will bring up an expanded menu. Click on the security button and you'll end up in the security page. Scroll all the way down from this page and right below you'll be able to see account activity option. Right under it, you should see a disable account link. Click it on in order to disable or delete your Binance account. Confirm your selection by clicking on disable this account, but before that, go through the information. Once you continue disabling your account, all of the trading capacities and login from your account will be disabled. The API keys for your account will be deleted as well. All of the devices that are connected for your account will also be deleted. The pending withdrawals and open orders will also be cancelled. After you're sure you'd like to delete your account or disable your account, click on disable this account button. In the pop-up, select disable and you'll be able to disable or delete your account on Binance. That was quite simple and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.